Artoonza.
Glitter Nintendo Switch time, gamers and artists! Today, we're mixing Nintendo Switch drawing for kids with glitter nail polish coloring. Because why not make your console fabulous? First, we outline with black markers, then boom, glitter explosion, tiny vacuum chaos, and glossy nail polish magic.
Aww.
By the end, you'll have the sparkliest Nintendo Switch art tutorial ever. So cute it could unlock glitter mode. Let's power up and draw together. Give us a big thumbs up. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Serious mode on. Black marker is like the boss battle outline. Don't mess with the outline, kids. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Black marker is the serious player, but glitter nail polish is the party mode, DLC.
Wow!
Whoa! Sky blue nail polish? This Switch just unlocked Cloud 9 mode. Glitter green, aka the salad upgrade, nobody asked for, but everyone secretly loves. Pink power! This Switch is officially fabulous enough to host its own fashion show.
Aww.
It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Glitter red alert! This Switch is now hotter than a Mario Kart Turbo Boost. Whoa! This Nintendo Switch drawing just got a glitter upgrade. It's basically ready for a sparkle speed run. If this gets any shinier, my Switch will need sunglasses. Give us your like. Glitter light blue sparkle. Oh, so sweet it could melt an ice cube. Ah, look at this Nintendo Switch art. It's so shiny and cute, it could unlock glitter mode in real life. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.